Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 10. Firstly, open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, hit open. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then tap on Not Now if you wish to in this pop-up and close it by choosing OK. Now you need to do exactly the same on your Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. When you're ready, choose Receive over here at the bottom of your Realme 10 and Send at the bottom left corner of your Android smartphone. Finally, you can tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on Realme, scroll down, tap on one of those options and choose Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive button or scan this QR code. In order to scan it, tap on this little icon above user's guide. Choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now wait couple of seconds and as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!